So welcome. This is a worksheet based on partial fractions and integrations together. So integrals using partial fractions. So the first question, integral of this one, 3x plus 5 upon x plus 1 times x plus 2. So what am I going to do? First I have to do the partial fractions for this. A upon x plus 1 plus b upon x plus 2. So what do I get from there? 3x plus 5 equals to a times x plus 2 plus b times x plus 1. Then what am I going to do? I am going to plug in x equals to -1. This gives me the value of a as 2. Then I'm going to plug in x equals to -2. This gives me the value of b as 1. So once I could able to get that one, then I'll be writing it out. Integral of 3x plus 5 upon x plus 1 times x plus 2 dx will become integral of 2 upon x plus 1 plus 1 upon x plus 2 dx. So it is 2 ln of x plus 1 plus ln of x plus 2 plus c. So further simplification, it becomes ln of x plus 1 whole square, and addition becomes multiplication x plus 2 plus c. That's going to be the answer for part A. Part B, again partial fractions. A upon 2x plus 1 plus b upon x minus 2. So what does that becomes? 3x minus 1 equals to a times x minus 2 plus b times 2x plus 1. Now I'm going to plug in x equals to 2, which gives me the 5 equals to 5b and b value equals to 1. Next time I'm plugging x equals to -1 upon 2. So -5 upon 2. If I plug in -1 upon 2, it becomes -5 upon 2 equals to -5 upon 2a, which gives me a value as 1. So now the question becomes integral of 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 1 times x minus 2 dx equals to integral of 1 upon 2x plus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 2 dx. So it becomes 1 upon 2 ln of 2x plus 1, because divide by the derivative of basic function, plus ln of x minus 2 plus c. What is that? This 1 upon 2 becomes square root. So ln of square root of 2x plus 1 times x minus 2 and whole absolute value plus c. This is the answer. Question number C. Partial fractions again, a upon x plus 3. This entire worksheet is based on partial fractions and integrals. So if at all you could able to follow this video, you will be able to get perfection with partial fractions and integrals concept. So you can pause the video at any time, try to solve it out on your own, and then check to your answers. So I plug in x equals to 1, which gives me -4 equals to 4b, b equals to -1. Then I plug in x equals to -3, -12 equals to -4a, so a equals to 3. So what will be the integral now? Integral of 2x minus 6 upon x plus 3 times x minus 1 dx equals to integral of 3 upon x plus 3 minus 1 upon x minus 1 dx. So it becomes 3 ln of x plus 3 minus ln of x minus 1 plus c. So simplify that. Ln of x plus 3 whole cube divided by x minus 1 absolute value plus c. Part D, a upon 2 plus x plus b upon 1 minus x. So 3 equals to a times 1 minus x plus b times 2 plus x. Plug in x equals to 1. So I get 3 equals to 3b, b equals to 1. Plug in x equals to -2, 3 equals to 3a, a equals to 1. Then integral of 3 upon 2 plus x times 1 minus x dx will become integral of 1 upon 2 plus x plus 1 upon 1 minus x dx. So what does that becomes? Ln of 2 plus x minus ln of 1 minus x plus c. So it becomes ln of 2 plus x upon 1 minus x plus c. Part E, a upon 2x plus 1 plus b upon 1 minus 2x. So 4 equals to a times 1 minus 2x plus b times 2x plus 1. So now plug in x equals to 1 upon 2. So 4 equals to 2b, b equals to 2. And plug in x equals to negative 1 upon 2. 4 equals to 2a, a equals to 2. From there, what do I get that one? Integral of 4 upon 2x plus 1 times 1 minus 2x dx equals to integral of 2 upon 2x plus 1 plus 2 upon 1 minus 2x dx. That becomes ln of 2x plus 1, because derivative of denominator is present in the numerator 2, and over here the derivative of denominator is minus 2, so minus is missing, so this plus can be written as minus times minus. So now this becomes minus ln of 1 minus 2x plus c. So see that derivative of the denominator present in numerator. What is the formula I'm using it out? This formula, f of x in the denominator and its derivative f prime x will become ln of f of x. If I use this formula, it will be easy. Derivative of denominator, any function in the denominator and its derivative is present in the numerator, then it becomes ln of denominator. That's going to be the answer. So next, question number F. Partial fractions a upon, this can be factorized as 3x plus 1 times 3x minus 1. So a upon 3x minus 1 plus b upon 3x plus 1. So 3x plus 3 equals to a times 3x plus 1 plus b times 3x minus 1. So what am I doing it out? I'm plugging x equals to negative 1 upon 3. So it becomes 2 equals to negative 2b, b equals to negative 1. And similarly, plug in x equals to positive 1 upon 3, 4 equals to 2a, a equals to 2. So what will be the integral will become now? 2 upon 3x minus 1 minus 1 upon 3x plus 1. Now derivative of denominator should be present in numerator. If it is not there, what am I going to do? Divide by the derivative. So 3x derivative is 3, so it is not present. So what am I going to do? Divide by 3. And again 3x derivative is 3, it is not present, so divide by 3 plus c, or else I'm using this formula, integral of 1 of ax plus b is 1 upon a ln of ax plus b. That formula I'm using it out. So ln of ax plus b, a is 3 over there, so divide by 1 upon a. So both are having 1 upon 3 common. So I take 1 upon 3 common, and this 2 goes to the power, minus becomes division. So it becomes ln of 3x minus 1 whole square divided by 3x plus 1 plus c. Next part G, a upon 1 minus x plus b upon 2 minus 3x. So it becomes 3 minus 5x equals to a times 2 minus 3x plus b times 1 minus x. So plug in x is 2 upon 3. So negative 1 upon 3 equals to 1 upon 3b. So b equals to negative 1. Plug in x equals to 1. Negative 2 equals to negative a. So a equals to 2. So what will be the integral now will become 2 upon 1 minus x minus 1 upon 2 minus 3x. Same. 2 ln of 1 minus x divided by the derivative of the basic function minus 1 minus ln of 2 minus 3x divided by negative 3 plus c. So that is the answer for question number G. Question number H, x square minus 3 upon 2 plus x times 1 plus x whole square. So it becomes a upon 2 plus x plus b upon 1 plus x whenever it is repeated factor, c upon 1 plus x whole square. So what does that becomes? X square minus 3 equals to a times 1 plus x whole square plus b times 2 plus x times 1 plus x plus c times 2 plus x. Now what am I going to do? I am going to plug in x equals to negative 1. So negative 2 equals to c. Because when I plug in negative 1, a and b will become 0. Then I plug in x equals to negative 2. This makes b and c 0. So I will be getting it out. 1 equals to 1a or a equals to 1. Now what I will be doing it out? I will be comparing the coefficients of x square. So what is coefficient of x square on the left side? 1. And on here, I'll be getting it out a. And over here, I'll be getting it out b. A plus b equals to 1. So a was 1. So 1 equals to 1 plus b. So this gives me b as 0. So what will be the integral now? The integral will be looking like 1 upon, or the partial fractions will be looking like 1 upon 2 plus x minus 2 upon 1 plus x whole square dx. So it becomes ln of 2 plus x minus, this is 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 2. So it becomes 2 times of 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c. So what does that becomes now? Ln of 2 plus x plus 2 upon 1 plus x plus c. This is going to be the answer. Next for I, the partial fractions, again it is a repeated factor, a upon x plus 2 plus b upon x plus 1 plus c upon x plus 1 whole square. So what does that becomes now? 5 plus 3x equals to a times x plus 1 whole square plus b times x plus 2 times x plus 1 plus c times x plus 2. Then I plug in x equals to negative 1, which gives me c value as 2. Why? Because this and this become 0. I plug in x equals to negative 2. So b and c become 0. So I will be getting it out a value as negative 1. Then I will be comparing the coefficients of x square, which was 0 over here, and a and b. A plus b is 0. A was negative 1 plus b. So b equals to positive 1. So what will be the integral will be looking like? Minus 1 upon x plus 2 plus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 2 upon x plus 1 whole square dx. So what does that becomes? Negative ln x plus 2 plus ln x plus 1. Now this is again nothing but what? X plus 1 whole to the power of negative 2. The last one. So it becomes plus 2 x plus 1 whole to the power of negative 1 upon negative 1 plus c. So what will be my final answer will be looking like? These two ln terms, I combine it out. Ln of x plus 1 upon x plus 2 minus 2 upon x plus 1 plus c. That is question number I. Now finally question number J. It is also a repeated factor, a upon 3 plus 2x plus b upon 2 minus x plus c upon 2 minus x whole square. So what does that becomes now? 17 minus 5x equals to a times 2 minus x whole square plus b times 3 plus 2x times 2 minus x plus c times 3 plus 2x. Now what am I going to do? I am plugging x equals to 2. So these two terms become 0. I'll be getting the value of c. 7 equals to 7c. C equals to 1. Then I plug in x equals to negative 3 upon 2. So b and c become 0. So I will be getting it out 49 upon 2 equals to 49 upon 4a. So which gives me the value of a. Then I compare the coefficients of x square, which is 0 on left side. On right side it is a and it is 2b. because 2x times x is 2b, but it is minus 2b. A minus 2b. So a was 2. So which gives me b value as 1. So what will be the integral will become now? 2 upon 3 plus 2x plus 1 upon 2 minus x plus 1 upon 2 minus x whole square dx. So 2 ln of 3 plus 2x divided by 2, because 1 upon a, I'm using 1 upon a ln of ax plus b. What is the formula I'm using it at? This formula. If the question is in the form of integral of 1 of ax plus b, I'm using this formula. Then plus ln of 2 minus x divided by minus 1. And this one is again as usual 2 minus x whole to the power of negative 2. It becomes 2 minus x whole to the power of negative 1 over negative 1. Again one more negative 1 divided by derivative of the basic function. Minus x derivative is minus 1. So don't forget to divide by that. So my final answer will be 2 cancels. These 2 becomes division ln of 3 plus 2x divided by 2 minus x. Minus times minus plus 1 upon 2 minus x plus c. Don't forget to write plus c. C, be careful with the symbols. Pause this video and check for the symbols carefully how I got that right answer. Question number 2a. So we can see that x times 2x is 2x square. Over here it is also 2x square. 2x square upon 2x square is 1. So 1 plus a upon x plus 1 plus b upon 2x minus 1. This will be the partial fractions. Because when both numerator and denominator are having the same degree, you should be dividing them and converting into a fraction where numerator should be having 1 degree lesser than the denominator. At least 1 or more than 1. So 2x square plus 6x minus 2 equals to x plus 1 times 2x minus 1 plus a times 2x minus 1 plus b times x plus 1. Plug in x equals to negative 1, this and this becomes 0. It gives me the value of a. Negative 6 equals to negative 3a. A equals to 2. Plug in x equals to 1 upon 2. 3 upon 2 equals to, these 2 become 0. 3 upon 2b. So b equals to 1. So what will be the integral now becomes as 1 plus 2 upon x plus 1 plus 1 upon 2x minus 1 dx. So what is one integral? X. And 2 ln of x plus 1 plus ln of 2x minus 1 divided by a. What is a? 2 plus c. This 1 upon 2, what does it becomes? It becomes square root. And this 2 becomes whole square. So my final answer is 2x plus ln of x plus 1 whole square root of 2x minus 1 plus c. Part B, I do a long division over here. X cube plus 2x square plus 0x plus 2. Because degree of numerator is greater than the denominator. So it becomes x square times x. So it becomes x cube plus x square. Subtract, it becomes x square plus 0x plus 2. So again plus 1 time. So it becomes x square plus x. So subtract, it becomes negative x and 2. So what will be the fraction can be written as? It can be written as x plus 1 plus 2 minus x upon x square plus x. So always try to write it out in the form of a circle, starting from over here. X plus 1 plus 2 minus x upon x square plus x. Now I have to do partial fractions for this particular part. So I pull out that one. 2 minus x upon x times x plus 1 is a upon x plus b upon x plus 1. So what I will do it is to facilitate further, or else I can do that 2 minus x equals to a times x plus 1 plus b times x. Plug in x equals to 0. So 2 equals to a, and plug in x equals to negative 1, 3 equals to negative b, or b equals to negative 3. So what does the integral looks like now? Integral looks like integral of x plus 1 plus 2 upon x minus negative 3 upon x plus 1 dx. So it becomes x square upon 2 plus x plus 2 ln x minus 3 ln of x plus 1 plus c. So it becomes x square upon 2 plus x plus ln of x square upon x plus 1 whole cube plus c. Part C, x square, so it should be 1 plus, and it is x plus 2 times x minus 2. So it will become a upon x minus 2 plus b upon x plus 2. So for the simplification, what do I get it out? X square equals to x minus 2 times x plus 2 plus a times x plus 2 plus b times x minus 2. Then what am I doing? Plug in x equals to 2, so that this and this becomes 0. 4 equals to 4a, so a equals to 1. Then x equals to negative 2, this and this becomes 0. So 4 equals to negative 4b, b equals to negative 1. So what will be the integral looks like now? 1 plus 1 upon x minus 2 minus 1 upon x plus 2 dx. One integral is x plus ln of x minus 2 minus ln of x plus 2 plus c. So it becomes x plus ln of x minus 2 upon x plus 2 plus c. Then part D, x square and x square. So it should be 1 plus. And when I factorize this one, this becomes 3 plus x upon 1 minus x. So it becomes a upon 3 plus x plus b upon 1 minus x. Now further simplification, it becomes x square plus x plus 2 equals to, this is negative 1. Why it is negative 1? Because x square upon negative x square is negative 1. So negative of 3 plus x times 1 minus x plus a times of 1 minus x plus b times of 3 plus x. Now plug in x equals to 1. So 4 equals to 4b, so b equals to 1. Then x equals to negative 3. 8 equals to 4a, so a equals to 2. So what will be the integral look like? Negative 1 plus 2 upon 3 plus x plus 1 upon 1 minus x dx. So one integral is nothing but what? Negative x plus 2 ln of 3 plus x minus or plus ln of 1 minus x divided by minus 1 plus c. So what does that becomes? Negative x plus ln of this 2 go to the power 3 plus x whole square. Because of this negative, it becomes division plus c. This is going to be the answer. Finally, part E, x square and 2x square. So it should be, what is this? Or x cube. So we have to do it out a long division over there, or else no need of long division, because this the degree is 2 over here, degree is 3. Numerator is already lesser than the denominator. So factorize the denominator, x square times x plus 2. So what will be the partial fractions over there? A upon x plus b upon x square plus c upon x plus 2. So what do I get from there? 6 plus 3x minus x square equals to a x times x plus 2 plus b times x plus 2 plus c x square. Plug in x equals to 0. 6 equals to 2b, b equals to 3. Plug in x equals to negative 2, negative 4 equals to 4c, c equals to negative 1. Now compare the coefficients of x squared. This is negative 1 over here, it is a over here, and c. So but c was negative 1. So a equals to nothing but how much? 0. So what will the partial fractions looking like? 3 upon x square minus 1 upon x plus 2 dx. Now it becomes 3x power negative 1 upon negative 1 minus ln of x plus 2 plus c. So my final answer looks like minus 3 upon x minus ln of x plus 2 plus c. That's going to be the answer. So that completes the video based on integration and partial fraction. See you in the next video. Bye.